This is also a candle jar. About the size, they have 3 different sizes are available on the market.
This is 4 ounces.
And this one is 8 ounces. The largest one is 16 ounces. About the specific size, if you need, you can save the screenshot on your phone. The specific size for 4 ounce, its height is 67.5 millimeter, and the diameter is 16 millimeter. The weight is 150 grams. The capacity is 120 milliliter. About the 8 ounce, the height is 18.9 millimeter. The diameter is 17.3 millimeter. The weight is 180 grams. The capacity is 270 milliliter. About the largest one, 16 ounce. The height is 100 millimeter. The diameter is 19 milliliter. The weight is 300 grams, and the capacity is 500 milliliter.